Welcome to the first and only SaaS Talk Show featured on LinkedIn. This is the Startup Edition episode, where I cover founders and entrepreneurs making an impact in this world. Today, we're going to talk about go-to-market strategy chili peppers use to drive growth and revenue. My interview is with Nicolas Vandenberghe, CEO of Chili Pepper. If you're watching this show for the first time, check out our LinkedIn company page to access more episodes. I will leave a link to SaaS Growth Ventures in the comments below. Let's start today's episode by talking a little bit more about competition in the SaaS market. SaaS companies entering the market 5 years ago faced an average of 2.6 competitors in their first year of business. Compare that to the SaaS companies founded just a year ago, who now face an average of 9.7 direct competitors in their first year. This is the new era for go-to-market strategy. Today, founders have to face 3 times more competitors. And guess what? Everyone is using the same buzzwords, overlapping features, and overpromising claims. So ask yourself a question: how do you differentiate yourself from competitors? Well, let me break it down for you. First, market positioning. Focus on quality of your SaaS offering and consistent results. Second, superior product quality. And this includes seamless customer onboarding and spectacular UX and UI experience. Third, leverage a proven go-to-market strategy in combination with product-led growth. And the fourth, establish market trust. Now, let me nail down for you how to earn market trust. To earn market trust, you have to focus on 3 pillars: commitment, connection, and trust. You secure commitment by relating everything to the customer's needs. Commit to the same goals as your customer. And to secure your connection is by sharing reliable stories that are based on the problem that they face. And the last part is to establish trust through integrity and transparency. Bottom line, you have to put customer goals and interest before the money. Remember, trust can only be earned. It cannot be bought. With that said, today we're going to speak with CEO of Chili Pepper, Nicolas Vandenberghe. He's going to break down the go-to-market strategy that he used to scale his revenue. His go-to-market strategy is called Bullseye Strategy. You target the most influential companies in the space. Then, those companies influence other companies in concentric circles, driving revenue for you. Nicolas Vandenberghe started his selling newspapers on the streets of Paris in high school. From there, he worked his way up to starting and selling 3 tech companies. His current company, Chili Pepper, recently raised an $18 million round of Series A funding. And capital came from investors such as Base 10 Partners, Gradient Ventures, and Flashpoint Venture Capital. It's great to have you here, Nicolas. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Excellent. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us what your superpower is?
Sure. I'm Nicolas Vandenberghe. I'm co-founder and CEO of Chili Pepper, a sales tech company. I'm also founder of a company called Time, helping people manage their to-do list. And my secret superpower is my wife, who is also my co-founder and our chief product officer.
Great answer. So let's get right into what's going on with your company. In the last 6 to 12 months, what traction have you hit that you're most excited about?
Well, we're very proud. In spite of the virus crisis, we kept doubling our revenues. That has attracted a lot of interest from venture capitalists. And as you mentioned, we closed our Series A. So that's for a new era in the company.
So why this achievement been kind of so important for you?
Well, now we have the funds with this 18 million Series A to develop all the